Here's the system, Lyhin. If you do password protection for Excel files, XLSX files, you need to protect the whole file. Do not put a protection on one sheet because the data on this sheet is only, let me tell you how it works. The whole file is a zip archive. So if you password protect the zip archive, it will be protected, the whole archive. But if you only protect one worksheet, it means that somebody can open the zip archive, and I did it practically, so you can do the same thing. Somebody can open the zip archive, find this worksheet, find this password hash, and either brute force this password hash or simply remove it. Both situations are dangerous because you don't want somebody to know the hash of your password, and you do not want anybody to just remove this from your worksheet or replace with another hash. So, if you need to protect Excel files, protect the whole file. And do not protect one worksheet. Protect the whole file all the time.